Oops, let's try again. Okay, now we've got it. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to unbox a Tamron 11-20 f2.8. It's a zoom lens designed for Sony APS-C camera. It's of course ultra wide angle lens. At the beginning it weighs about 335 grams. It's about 8-9 centimeters long. It has a maximum aperture about 2.8 and a minimum aperture about f16. You have also to keep in mind this, that it's for a crop sensor camera, so it will not work too good with full frame lenses, and it gives you an equivalent of 16.5 to 30 millimeters on a full frame. So as you can see in the beginning, I think that it's kinda cheapy in terms of cardboard and some papers inside, so it's not looking the best and not a prime quality, but this is a quality and prime premium, some premium stuff. So here is my rabbit. I call it Brona, so I love this guy. Okay, let's go back to the lens unboxing, and here we've got Tamron 11-20. Okay, I will clean it up. The filter size in this lens is about 67 millimeters, and the very nice thing about this is that magnification ratio is very good, so it's about 1.4 on 11 millimeter, so you can get something like ultra wide macro photography. So it's quite a nice bonus. And now let's check. Of course you are getting a lens hood, lens cap, front and the back. As you can see, everything is looking very nice. I like the plastic because it's made of plastic and glass, of course, but this plastic feels quite a good quality. Once again, it's a 67 millimeter filter size. I like the big glass in the front of this lens. Also the back of the lens is designed very well. Everything is nice packed. It looks quite very good. It makes solid. And now from 11-20, just in a one move. So also very nice thing in this lens. I already made some first test shots with this lens, and I have to say that I'm quite impressed with this lens because it's freaking sharp and it performs really nice. But I will also compare it with Sony 10-18, so stay for a little bit longer with me. So subscribe, like and comment below, of course. And now let's take a closer look to all the sides of the lens. As you can see, lens designed in Japan, and I think that the job is made very well. Again, back of the lens, very good looking. Manual focus ring is working very nice, so I think that you will not have any problem with manual focusing. So once again, Tamron, good job. And at the end, this is how it looks with my Sony ZV-10. So it's not too bulky, but it's also not a very small setup, so you have to keep in mind that it will take some place in your bag. So guys, thank you for watching, see ya, I hope that you will like, subscribe and comment below. Thank you.